Today in this video we find the solutions of exercise 3a section 2. We find the solutions today. So already we find the solutions of section 1. There are 10 questions. In that there are subbits are there. Minimum maximum questions covered in this section 1 in the 3a bit. So it is useful for intermediate second year maths A. So the quadratic expression is a chapter. In that 3a we did that one. Now today we find the solutions of section 2. Now start with the section 2 first question here. Second bit first one solution here. So question is, if x1 x2 are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c and c where c not equal to 0 is given, find the value of ax1 plus b inverse minus 2 plus here ax2 plus b power of minus 2 whole power of minus 2 in the terms of ABC. The terms of ABC he asking us to find the formula, find the this equation into the ABC. Now here solution, in the question he given that x1 x2 are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here x1 comma x2 are given, okay, are given as a roots of the quadratic equation x square plus bx square plus c. Here what we can say, like the roots, addition of the roots x1 plus x2 is equal to, how we will get, minus b by a, no, and product of the x1 x2 x1 into x2 is equal to c by a. So these two will get from this equation, okay. Now here find the value of, he asking us to find the value of ax1 plus b whole power of minus 2 plus ax2 b b plus whole power of minus 2 in the terms of ABC. Now here x1 is a root of ax square plus bx plus c, okay. If okay, in this case ax1 square plus bx1 plus c is equal to 0 it will come, okay. In this I will try to common x1 here, x1 common to ax1 plus b plus c is equal to 0 here. I will bring c this side and it will become ax1 plus b is equal to minus c by x1. So what we have to find, ax1 b plus b whole power of minus 2, we have to do this thing. So in this I will power ax minus 2 both sides, ax1 plus b whole power of minus 2 is equal to minus c by x1 whole power of minus 2. I will do both sides like this. Now here we have to find x1 is root of the equation, we did that. Now we have to do x2 is the root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this we have to submit x2, so ax2 whole square plus bx2 plus c is equal to 0. So from this x2 will common, a plus ax2 plus b plus c is equal to 0, same ax2 plus b is equal to minus c by x2 will remain here, sorry x2. So same whole power of minus 2 also we do here, so it will become ax2 plus b whole power of minus 2 is equal to minus c by x2 whole power of minus 2. So we have to add these things, okay. So here he asking us to find the value of this one only, the in the terms of a comma b comma c. So the x1 x2 values we have to erase here, that's it. So here we have to do one thing, ax2 plus b whole power of minus 2 is equal to minus c by x2 whole power of minus 2. From this these two things, addition of ax1 plus b whole power of minus 2 plus ax2 b whole power of minus 2 is equal to this, I can write it as 1 by, it will reverse, x1 square by c1 square, x1 square by c square plus this is also it will go upside because of I am doing reverse, like a power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by a power of n formula, like this, a power of 1 formula, like this I am doing. And after I am reversing the fraction, like x square by c square will come here, and same like this also, x2 whole square, x2 square by c2 square. Here c square is common, x1 square plus x2 square will remain. Okay, so here it is in the form of x1 square plus x2 square divided by c square is equal to x1 plus x2 whole square and minus okay, minus 2x1 x2 minus 2x1 x2 will take like this, here c square. So x1 plus x2 is equal to how much? Minus b by a, no? So here minus b by a whole square, and after that minus 2 into here x1 into x2 means c by a divided by c square. So now it will move minus b, I will do here, please concentration here. So b square divided by a square minus 2c by a divided by c square. It will become a square and 2ac. What is the answer will come here means b square minus 2ac divided by a square c square. So this is the answer of first bit, first question. So this is first question. Now move to the second question. Now second question, if the alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, form a quadratic equation whose roots are given alpha square plus beta square and alpha power of minus 2 plus beta power of minus 2. So these are the two roots. So we have to find these two roots equation here. Now alpha plus beta, alpha comma beta are the roots of which one? Ax square plus bx plus c. In this these alpha comma beta roots are for this one. So we have to given these roots and we have to find the quadratic equation. Now here alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to here minus b by a from this equation. Okay, here alpha into beta is equal to c by a from which one? This one equation. Here you do one thing, alpha square plus beta square, okay, is a one what is one, we can say that root. Okay, here alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta we can write. Okay, in this alpha plus beta is equal to how much is given? Minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha c by a. Okay, it will become b by b square by a square minus 2c divided by a. So here it will become a square, b square minus 2ac will come here. Now another thing is there, this one, alpha power of minus 2 plus beta power of minus 2 is equal to, so alpha power of minus 2 plus beta power of minus 2 is equal to 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Why I am writing its power of in the minus? I am dividing like this. I am writing in the denominator. So it will become alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha square beta square. Okay. Here alpha square plus beta square we already know. So value of alpha square plus beta square is how much we got? B square minus 2ac divided by a square divided by alpha square into beta square is equal to how much? We can write it as c square by a square also we can write. So this a square will get cancelled here. It will remain like this, b square minus 2ac divided by c square will remain here. So in this b square minus 2ac by c square, so we got here. So value of alpha square plus beta square and value of alpha power of minus 2 plus beta power of minus 2 we got here. He asking us to find the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation formula here? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus c no is equal to 0. In this form we have to submit. So this value we got and this value we got here. So we have to add these two things and multiply with these two things, then we will get the answer of that one. So here I am doing here x square minus alpha plus beta means this is alpha, this is beta. So value of that those things is b square minus 2ac divided by how much, a square here, and plus, sorry, plus only na, alpha plus beta, yes, plus only. Now here b square minus 2ac divided by c square. So this is over here into x plus alpha beta. So these two multiplications, like b square minus 2ac divided by how much, a square, into b square minus 2ac divided by c square is equal to 0 here. From this we get the answer of x square minus this b square minus 2ac common from the both sides. B square minus 2ac will common from both sides, and it will become cross multiplication, means c square plus a square divided by a square c square into x plus, so it will become also this whole square will become, and it will become like b square minus 2ac whole square divided by a square and a c square it will become, so is equal to 0. This is answer. Okay, so now move to the next question here. Now here third question, solve the following equation. So we have to solve the following equations. So first question is given 2x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this equation for the value of a x or x plus something, a is equal to something. Here x values will come here. So that's the we have to solve here. So given question is, already we read that dividing by, so we'll do it is dividing by 2x to the power of plus x cube minus 11x square, so x plus 2 is equal to 0. So I divide this equation by x square. Okay, so by x square means 2x to the power of 4 na, it will become x square plus dividing by x square, so it will become like this, 2x square x minus 11 plus x 1 by x, it will 1 by x plus 2 by x square is equal to 0 here. So it will form like this. Okay, now here we do one thing, 2x square plus 1 by 2 by x square will write one side, plus x plus 1 by x I will write one side, plus 11 minus 11 minus 11 is equal to 0 here. So I will common 2 from both sides, and x square plus 1 by x square and plus x plus 1 by x minus 11 is equal to 0 will come. Here x plus 1 by x is there na, x plus 1 by x is equal to, I will take as a let. Okay, so here it will become I'm squaring on both sides, it will become x square plus 2 into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x square is equal to a square. So these two will get cancelled, squaring on both sides. Now x square plus 1 by x square is equal to a square minus 2. This 2 will goes here and it will become minus 2, and a square minus 2 will get here. So this value also we got here. Okay, now move to the submitting the values, like 2 into, so x square plus 1 by x square is equal to how much, a square minus 2 plus, and x plus 1 by x is equal to a. So a minus 11 is equal to 0 here. So it will become a 2a square minus 4 plus a minus 11 is equal to 0, and 2a square minus plus a minus 15 is equal to 0 will get here. So after that we have what we have to do, factorization. So this factorization we have to do here. So 15 2 ja 30, and it will become 5 6 ja 30. So I can take like that. Okay, so 2a square plus 6a minus 5a minus 15 is equal to 0 here. So 2a I common from these things, these two number to these two values, and it will become a plus 3. So 2 will come until right. Minus 5 I will common a minus a plus 3 is equal to 0. So 2a plus 2a minus 5 into a plus 3 will got answer here. Now from this a is equal to minus 3 and a is equal to 5 by 2, two values will come here. Okay, so in the I will, if I take x is equal a is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3, no. So in this it will become x square plus 1 divided by x is equal to minus 3. So it will become x square plus 1 is equal to minus 3x, and x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 will come. So if we do factorization this thing, so it will minus 3 then it will become plus. If we do factorization of this one though, so x is equal to what will come here, minus 3 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, b square is equal to 9 minus 4 ac means 4 only, is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 5 answer here. Now move to the next value. So we submit the value this one here. Here 2a will come in this by 2 will remain here. So after that a is equal to 5 by 2 if I take, okay, a is equal to what, x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. So x square plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2 will come. Okay, so from this cross multiplication, x square 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. So 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x. 5x goes inside and it will become 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 to 4. I can take as minus 4x minus x. Okay, it will take, I write, okay, right 2x square minus 4x and minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So if I common 2x, so it will come x minus 2. Here minus 1 will come, so x minus 2 will come, x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 will come here, it is equal to 0 here. Now from this we will get the two factors like x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 2. Okay, so now another roots also we got, minus 3 plus or minus under root of 5 by 2. So these factors we got from x values we got from this question. Like question is given to x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0 from this one. So this is answers. Here fourth question is solve the 3 power of 1 plus x plus 3 power of minus 1 minus x plus is equal to 10. We have to solve this one. Now here I will do one thing, 3 into 3 power of x plus 3 into 3 power of minus x is equal to 10 I will write. I will common here 3, or else I will do one thing, 3 into 3 power of x plus 3 into 1 by 3 power of x I will take is equal to 10. 3 power of x is equal to, I will take it as a, let, okay. So into it will become 3a plus 3 by a is equal to 10 will become, and cross multiplication it will become 3a square plus 3 is equal to 10a will come. Sir, how will 10a will come means, it will cross multiplication, it will goes here and it will become multiplication and it will become 10a, and 10a will come inside and it will become 3a square minus 10a plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to factorize this one. 3 3 ja 9, okay, 3 3 ja 9. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 9 plus 1 10 is equal to, we got between the answer. So is equal to 3a square minus 9a minus a plus 3 is equal to 0 will get. Here in this factorization 3a will common and a will remain here and 3 will remain there. Minus 1 a minus 3 will is equal to 0 here. Now 3a minus 1 into a minus 3 will get answer here. So a is equal to 1 by 3 1 and a is equal to 3 1. So here what we got, what we took a value as 3 power of x, 3 power of x. Okay, so here 3 power of x is equal to 3. If we think like this from this one, uh, so powers x is equal to 1 है ना here. So bases are equal, powers also equal here, so means x is equal to 1 here. Now from next one, so 3 power of x is equal to 1 by 3. So it will become upside and it will become 3 power of x is equal to 3 power of minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 is the answer here. Now from a is equal to 3 we'll get x is equal to 1, and from a is equal to this one we'll get x is equal to minus 1. These are the values, x values. The roots are, think that the roots are 1 comma minus 1. So now